ACDelco Gold heavy-duty serpentine belts are engineered to be a high-quality alternative to original equipment, OE, parts, offering a reliable and durable solution for your vehicle's engine needs. Designed to drive multiple engine functions such as the alternator, power steering pump, and water pump, these multi-ribbed serpentine belts are a critical component for ensuring the smooth operation of your vehicle's engine. Whether you're looking to replace a worn-out belt or need a dependable spare, the ACDelco Gold Professional serpentine belt is the perfect choice. Manufactured to meet precise specifications for fit, form, and function, these belts are built to perform under the demands of both General Motors vehicles and a wide range of makes and models, including special applications. The ACDelco Gold Professional range is known for its quality and consistency, and this serpentine belt continues that tradition by providing the same reliability and performance that ACDelco is known for. Some ACDelco Gold parts may have previously been labeled as ACDelco Professional. What sets this serpentine belt apart is its advanced construction, designed for durability and optimal performance. Whether you're working on a personal vehicle or a fleet, this belt delivers long-lasting reliability that you can count on. Top reviews from the United States highlight its quality and fit, but be sure to research the best compatibility for your specific vehicle, as one user reported issues with a different brand of belt that caused damage to their vehicle's TCM system. If you're looking for an OEM quality serpentine belt at a competitive price, ACDelco Gold heavy-duty serpentine belts are the way to go. To purchase this top-tier product, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful product reviews and recommendations.